Okay, hello, welcome to your Rattlesnake Excerpt in 6. Okay, I have the metronome going, so hopefully you hear that just fine. That's going to be our stepping. And before we begin playing the rhythm, I want to go through a rhythm exercise of embodying how this rhythm feels in your body so you have a sense of it, how it floats in time, the time of this pulse. Okay, so what we're going to do is find your right leg, here it is, and take a step, and then left leg, step. Okay, we're going back and forth. Now fall into rhythm with the metronome, so I'm going right, left, right, left, right, left. Now when we're playing in 3, we're saying takita, okay? And this is going to be 3rd speed, which means that we're going at our fastest takita, or at least our 3rd speed. So we're going to work up to it, and then we'll do this exercise. So 1st speed is every time you do a step, you're saying one of the sounds. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. Now keep going your step. We're going to the 2nd speed, so now you're going to do 2 sounds per step, like this. Ta, ki, ta, 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 ta, ki, ta. Now keep your feet going. We're going to go to the 3rd speed. So now you're going to actually do 4 sounds per step. And you're going to really feel that triplet kind of cycle through a series before it lands back on kind of a solid ground of a downbeat. Downbeat is when your foot's landing. Alright, so it sounds like this. Here we go. Takita, 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 takita. Good. Now stop. So what we're going to be doing with this exercise is the accent, the part that you play loudly, the main stroke, actually happens on the 2nd ta. So you're saying ta, ki, ta, and that 3rd ta, taki ta, that's the one we're going to be doing a main stroke. So I want to show you what that looks like, stepping over a beat so you can start to feel how it's really funky, super funky. So let's give it a try. So we got right, left, right, left, right. I'm going to clap on the 3rd ta. At least I'm going to try. Let's see what happens. Takita, 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 takita. Here we go. Takita, 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 takita. I landed up on the 1st. Here again. Takita, 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 takita. Woo! Alright, that is caffeinating. It's really tricky. I find like my shoulders have to go up to kind of get it. So now, let me show you. So the drum pattern is very simple. Okay, it goes ka-ka. That's these 2 jingle strokes with our non-dominant hand. It goes kaka doom kaka tek kaka doom kaka pa. Okay, that sounds crazy, but you're just doing 2 kas and a doom, 2 kas and a tek, 2 kas and a doom, and 2 kas and a pa. Okay, it's only when you add it to the rhythm that it gets really kind of funky. So without our feet going, let's just try the rhythm. Ready, go. Get off the metronome, which I believe I did. It's hard to tell because it's a little funky. Then just stop and get grounded again. Here we go. Da 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 da. 1, 2, ready, go. So notice how before I started that, I subdivided what the rhythm was going to be. So over the pulse, I was like, ba 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 ba. That helped me get sort of like how long each note is. So that's something that's really helpful before you add that sort of funky 3 cross pattern accent thing. So now let's try it with stepping. Obviously, if you need to practice that for a while, go practice it and then add the stepping in later, okay? But I'll give you the whole shebang on this one. So we're going to step, right, left, right, left. I'm going to say the pattern. Here we go. Kaka doom kaka tek kaka doom kaka pa kaka doom kaka tek kaka doom kaka pa kaka doom kaka tek kaka doom kaka pa doom kaka tek kaka doom kaka pa doom kaka tek kaka doom kaka pa. The metronome is my feet. Kaka doom kaka tek kaka doom kaka pa. Good. All right. So when you get into rhythm with that one, it's very floaty feeling because all of your strokes are kind of in the up space and your feet just are floating along. But just try to get the feel for that as best you can. And if you have questions, write them in the comments. Okay?